Unlock the secret to creating suspense and driving engagement in your CapCut PC videos by mastering the art of adding timers. First, open your CapCut PC project and navigate to the Text tab on the left-hand side of your toolbar. Within the Text tab, you'll find a variety of options. Click on Text Templates to access a library of pre-designed text elements. Scroll down the list of text template categories until you find timers and countdowns. Click on this to reveal the available timer options. You'll see different styles of countdown timers and stopwatches. Select the timer that best suits your video's mood and drag it directly onto your timeline at the desired position. Once the timer is on your timeline, it will appear as a text clip. Click on the timer clip to select it, and a text editing panel will open on the right side of your screen. In the editing panel, go to the Edit tab here. You can customize the timer's duration. Simply input your desired countdown time, for example, 10 seconds. Further tailor the timer's appearance by exploring the font, style, and animation options. You can change the font, color, size, and even add subtle animations to make it pop. Play back your video to see the timer in action, perfectly synchronized with your edit, adding a professional touch and keeping your audience hooked.